Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are doing well. Today's topic is really very easy because today I am going to tell you the formulas which are used to solve algebraic expressions or equations. So basically there are some formulas. Let us count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So basically there are 7 formulas to solve algebraic expressions or equations. Okay. The first one is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Second is a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So these two are the formulas for whole square. Then there is a square minus b square is equal to a minus b plus and a plus b. I'll give you examples for these three so that you can understand. Like if it is written 2 plus 3a whole square, then how to resolve it is like this. We have to open it in this form. A square, here a is 2 and b is 3a, so a square will be 4 plus 2ab, 2 into 2, 2ab, 2 into 2 into 3a. Oh, I'm so sorry. And let us solve it here. Example is 2 plus 3a whole square is equal to, now we have to solve it. 2 square means a square plus 2ab, a is 2, b is 3a plus b square. So b is 3a, we'll take its square. And next step, 2 to the 4 plus 2 into 2 4, 4 into 3 12, 12a plus 3 3 is a 9 and a square. So this will be the answer. Okay, it will be its open form for this. Okay, now the next one is a minus b whole square. I don't think so I should resolve it because here the sign of minus will be changing and here plus will be changing into minus. Okay, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Let's do another one, which is a square minus b square. Its form, open form is a plus b, a minus b. Okay, now if we have 4 a square minus 16 b square, or you should say like this, we should say like this. Oh, 2a whole square and minus 4b whole square. Okay, so this is a and this is b, a and b. How we are going to resolve it is a plus b means 2a plus 4b, then 2a minus 4b. Okay, so now let us see the formulas for cube. Okay, uh, let's just remove it as well, and then I will do an example for you. Formulas are a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Then a minus b whole cube will be equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Then a cube minus b cube will be equal to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Then a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Okay. Now I will do an example for you. Let's just take 2a plus 3b, okay, whole cube. So 2a is a and 3b is b here. And let us open this formula for this one, okay. For 2a plus 3b whole cube, we are going to open this formula. So here, a cube, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, a cube plus 6 is a 9, 9 to the 27, b cube, then 3ab. So 3 to the 6, 6 is a 18, 18ab, then a plus b, 2a plus 3b, okay. For a minus b whole cube, if we open it with the same values of a and b, 2a and 3b, then it will be like this: 8a cube minus 27b cube minus 18ab, and then a minus b, 2a minus 3b. Okay. Then for a cube minus b cube, if we take a as 2a and b as 3b, then we will be opening like this. Okay. A minus b means 2a minus 3b. Then a square means 2 to the 4 a square plus ab means 2 to the 6 ab plus b square 3 to the 9 b square. Okay. And for the last one, for this one, we are going to solve it like this: a plus b, 2a plus 3b, then a square 4a square minus 6ab plus 9b square. Okay. So this is how we are going to solve algebraic expressions using these 7 formulas. Okay. I hope you understood the lecture today, and if you have any query, you can tell me in the comment section. Take care. Thank you so much. Allah.